Have you ever wondered why fruit trees take up so much space yet often deliver only a short harvest each year? Years of watering, pruning, and waiting, all for a brief window of fruit. Meanwhile, one of the most productive food sources is growing much closer to the ground. Some of the highest yielding plants in the garden aren't trees at all. They're small bushes. Compact, easy to manage, and incredibly efficient, these plants can produce impressive amounts of food in very limited space. Many fruit multiple times in a single season, some keep producing for months, and others begin yielding within just a year or two, far faster than most fruit trees. For small gardens, backyard growers, container setups, or anyone looking to maximize production, these plants can completely change the way you grow food. In this video, we explore 8 compact bushes that can outperform traditional fruit trees in terms of yield per square foot, plants that quietly produce more while taking up far less space. 1. Raspberries. Raspberries may appear delicate, but they are among the most productive plants you can grow. Few crops offer as much fruit relative to the space they occupy. Unlike traditional shrubs, raspberries grow on flexible canes that emerge from the base. Each cane can produce dozens of berries along its length, turning even a single plant into a highly efficient food producer. Once established, a raspberry patch can yield large amounts of fruit each season. Many gardeners are surprised by how quickly harvest can exceed what they can eat fresh. Their productivity comes from a unique growth cycle. Each year, new canes grow from the roots. During their first season, they focus on growth and strength. In the following season, those same canes produce flowers and fruit. After fruiting, the older canes die back naturally while new ones are already developing. This continuous renewal allows raspberries to stay productive without the long delays typical of fruit trees. Many varieties are also everbearing, meaning they produce 2 crops per year, one in early summer and another later in the season. This extends the harvest period from a few weeks to several months. Even single-season varieties can produce large harvests in a short time, often allowing you to pick handfuls of ripe berries daily during peak periods. Another advantage is their ability to spread naturally. Through underground runners, raspberries gradually expand, forming new canes and increasing overall yield without additional planting. Because the canes grow tall and flexible, they are often supported on trellises or wires. This keeps them upright, improves airflow, and makes harvesting easier. With proper sunlight, well-drained soil, and regular pruning, raspberries remain highly productive. Removing old canes encourages strong new growth and keeps the plant healthy. The result is an abundant harvest of sweet, flavorful berries, rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and natural sugars. Few plants combine beauty, taste, and productivity so effectively. Even a small raspberry patch can provide bowls of fresh fruit throughout the season. In terms of yield per square foot, raspberries often rival or even surpass much larger fruit trees. Their fast growth and natural renewal make them one of the most rewarding crops for any garden. 2. Blackberries. Blackberries are another incredibly productive fruit plant that combines the structure of a bush with the efficiency of a climbing vine. This combination allows them to produce large harvests from relatively small spaces. At first glance, they resemble raspberries, growing on long, arching canes. However, blackberries often produce larger fruits and can deliver even heavier yields. A single mature plant can produce a significant amount of fruit during the season. When grown along a trellis or fence, multiple plants can create a highly productive system, yielding large harvests week after week. One of the reasons for their productivity is their vertical growth habit. Instead of spreading widely, blackberry canes can be trained upward on supports, allowing gardeners to use vertical space effectively. This creates a dense wall of fruiting canes that receive plenty of sunlight and airflow, improving both fruit quality and ease of harvesting. While traditional blackberry plants often had sharp thorns, modern varieties have been developed without them. These thornless types maintain high productivity while making harvesting much easier and more comfortable. Like raspberries, blackberries follow a natural renewal cycle. Each year, new canes grow from the root system. These canes mature during their first season and produce fruit in the next. After fruiting, older canes die back, while new ones continue the cycle. With simple care and occasional pruning, blackberry plants can remain productive for many years. The fruit itself is rich, juicy, and full of flavor, sweet with a slight tartness. Blackberries are perfect for fresh eating, baking, jams, smoothies, and desserts. They are also packed with nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and antioxidants. During peak season, blackberry plants can produce fruit faster than it can be harvested, with new berries ripening daily. Because of their high yield, adaptability, and rich flavor, blackberries are considered one of the most rewarding fruits for home gardeners. For anyone looking to grow more food in less space, a row of blackberries on a trellis can easily outperform much larger fruit trees in total production. 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are a perfect example of how smaller plants can deliver surprisingly large harvests. While large fruit trees may dominate the landscape, blueberry bushes quietly produce generous amounts of fruit year after year, all within a compact space. Most varieties grow only about 3 to 5 feet tall, making them ideal for small gardens, raised beds, or even containers on patios and balconies. Despite their modest size, a mature bush can yield several pounds of berries each season. When multiple plants are grown together, the total harvest can become quite substantial. One of the biggest advantages of blueberries is their gradual ripening process. Instead of producing all their fruit at once, they ripen over several weeks. While some berries are ready to pick, others are still developing, which creates a long and steady harvest period throughout the summer. This means you don't have to deal with one overwhelming harvest. Instead, you can gather fresh, perfectly ripe berries every few days. Blueberries also begin producing relatively quickly. Unlike many fruit trees that take years to mature, blueberry plants often start yielding fruit within 2 to 3 years, and sometimes even sooner with proper care. As the plant grows and develops more branches, its productivity increases over time. Another major benefit is longevity. With good care, blueberry bushes can remain productive for 20 years or more, making them a reliable long-term addition to any garden. Maintenance is simple due to their size. Pruning mainly involves removing older branches to encourage new growth and improve airflow, helping the plant stay healthy and productive. The key factor for success is soil acidity. Blueberries thrive in acidic soil, typically with a pH between 4.5 and 5.5. If the soil is too alkaline, nutrient absorption becomes difficult. Fortunately, this can be corrected with materials like pine needles, peat moss, or specialized fertilizers. Consistent moisture is also important. Their shallow roots prefer evenly moist soil, and adding mulch helps retain moisture and regulate temperature. Planting multiple varieties can further boost yields. Cross-pollination between compatible plants often results in larger berries and heavier harvests. Beyond productivity, blueberry bushes are visually appealing. They produce delicate flowers in spring, clusters of berries in summer, and vibrant red or orange foliage in autumn. For gardeners seeking a balance of beauty, nutrition, and productivity, blueberries are an excellent choice. A few compact bushes can easily rival the output of a much larger fruit tree. 4. Gooseberries. Gooseberries are often overlooked, but they are among the most productive fruit bushes available. Though less popular than raspberries or blueberries, these compact plants can produce impressive harvests in a very small space. Typically growing around 3 to 4 feet tall and wide, gooseberries form neat, rounded shrubs that fit easily into small gardens or tucked-away spaces. Despite their size, mature plants can yield large amounts of fruit, often weighing down their branches with heavy clusters. One of their most unique traits is how densely the fruit grows. Instead of producing berries only at the tips, gooseberries develop fruit along the entire length of their branches. This allows them to maximize production across every part of the plant. As a result, even a single bush can produce several pounds of fruit in a season. Another advantage is their tolerance for partial shade. While many fruit plants need full sun, gooseberries can thrive with limited light, making them ideal for gardens with shaded areas or restricted space. They are also highly resilient. Many varieties can withstand cold winters and return each spring with strong new growth. Once established, they require relatively little maintenance compared to larger fruit crops. Basic pruning helps maintain airflow and encourages continued productivity, allowing the plant to remain healthy for many years. The fruit itself varies depending on the variety. Some produce small green berries with a tart flavor, ideal for cooking, baking, and preserves. Others offer larger red, purple, or golden berries that are sweeter and perfect for eating fresh. Because the berries ripen gradually, you can harvest them over time. Early in the season, they tend to be more tart, while later harvests become sweeter as the fruit fully matures. Gooseberries are also highly versatile in the kitchen. They can be used in pies, jams, sauces, desserts, and even savory dishes thanks to their balanced flavor. In addition to their productivity, they also add visual interest to the garden. Their soft green leaves and natural shape blend well with other plants, contributing to a layered and attractive landscape. For gardeners looking for a reliable, space-efficient fruit crop, gooseberries are an excellent option. Their combination of resilience, productivity, and compact size proves that some of the most rewarding plants don't need much space at all. 5. Currants. Currants may be small, but they are incredibly productive plants, making them one of the most efficient fruit bushes for home gardens. Despite their compact size, they can yield large amounts of fruit, which makes them ideal for gardeners working with limited space. Most currant bushes grow to about 3 to 4 feet in height, forming neat, dense shrubs that are easy to manage. Their size allows them to fit comfortably into small garden beds, along fences, or even among other edible plants like herbs and vegetables. What truly sets currants apart is how they produce fruit. Instead of scattered berries, they grow in long, hanging clusters known as strigs. Each cluster can hold dozens of tightly packed berries, allowing the plant to produce an impressive amount of fruit in a relatively small area. As the bush matures, these clusters begin to cover the plant. In peak seasons, the branches can become so full of berries that they are nearly hidden beneath the fruit. There are several types of currants, each with its own characteristics. Red currants are bright and slightly tart, often used in jams, jellies, sauces, and desserts. Black currants are darker and richer in flavor, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, and commonly used in juices, syrups, and health-focused products. White currants, closely related to red varieties, produce pale golden berries with a milder, sweeter taste. One of the greatest advantages of currants is their adaptability. Unlike many fruit plants that require full sun, currants can tolerate partial shade and still produce well. This makes them a great option for gardens where sunlight is limited. They are also well suited to cooler climates and can thrive in regions where heat-loving fruit plants struggle. Many varieties handle cold winters with ease and return each year with strong growth. Currants also begin producing relatively quickly. Many bushes start yielding noticeable harvest within 2 to 3 years, and their productivity increases as they mature. Harvesting is simple and efficient. Because the berries grow in clusters, entire groups can be picked at once, allowing gardeners to gather large quantities of fruit quickly, especially useful when making jams or preserving the harvest. Maintenance is minimal. Occasional pruning helps keep the plant open and healthy, allowing light and air to reach all parts of the bush. In addition to their productivity, currants also add beauty to the garden. They produce delicate flowers in spring and lush green foliage throughout the growing season, blending well with other plants. For anyone looking for a compact, reliable fruit bush with high yields, currants are an excellent choice. A few small plants can provide generous harvests year after year, once again proving that the most productive crops don't always require large space. 6. Honeyberries. Honeyberries, also known as Haskap berries, are still unfamiliar to many gardeners, but they are quickly becoming recognized as one of the most productive and dependable small fruit plants. These compact shrubs usually grow between 3 and 5 feet tall, forming rounded, dense bushes that fit easily into small gardens. Despite their modest size, they can produce impressive harvests once established. The fruit itself is distinctive. Honeyberries grow elongated blueberries that resemble stretched blueberries. Their flavor is often described as a blend of blueberry, raspberry, and blackberry, rich, slightly tangy, and complex. One of their most notable advantages is how early they produce fruit. In many regions, honeyberries are among the first fruits to ripen in the season. They often mature weeks before strawberries, cherries, or blueberries. In some climates, harvesting can begin in late spring, while many other plants are still flowering. This early production makes them especially valuable as they extend the fruit season and provide fresh berries long before most other crops are ready. Another key strength of honeyberries is their exceptional cold tolerance. Originating from regions with harsh winters, they can withstand extremely low temperatures that would damage other fruit plants. For gardeners in colder climates, this makes them a reliable and resilient choice. Despite their toughness, honeyberries are easy to care for. With well-drained soil and moderate sunlight, they grow steadily and require little maintenance. Like many berry plants, they benefit from cross-pollination. Planting more than one compatible variety helps improve fruit production and increases yields. Over time, even a small group of honeyberry bushes can produce abundant harvests of nutrient-rich fruit each spring. Their early blooms also provide an important food source for pollinators emerging after winter, supporting the overall health of the garden ecosystem. For gardeners looking for something unique, early producing, and cold hardy, honeyberries are an excellent addition. They combine resilience, productivity, and flavor in a compact, easy-to-grow plant. 7. Goji berries. Goji berry bushes are widely recognized for their superfood status. But beyond their nutritional reputation, they are also highly productive and remarkably resilient plants. These shrubs usually grow between 4 and 6 feet tall, developing gently arching branches that can either be supported on a trellis or left to grow naturally. Their graceful form makes them suitable not only for productive gardens, but also for attractive edible landscapes. What makes goji plants stand out is the sheer volume of fruit they produce over time. Instead of delivering one large harvest, they produce hundreds of small, bright red berries that ripen gradually throughout the season. This extended ripening period allows for repeated harvesting, from late summer well into autumn. Rather than collecting everything at once, you can return to the plant again and again as new berries reach their peak. Goji plants are also extremely hardy. They tolerate dry conditions far better than many other fruiting plants, and can grow in less than ideal soils where more sensitive crops might struggle. Once established, they require minimal care. Occasional pruning helps maintain their shape and encourages healthy new growth, but overall they are very low maintenance. The berries themselves are small yet nutrient-dense. Known for their high antioxidant content, along with vitamins and beneficial plant compounds, goji berries are often valued for their health benefits. Their flavor is mildly sweet with a slight tang, making them versatile in the kitchen. They can be eaten fresh, dried, or added to smoothies, teas, cereals, and snack mixes. They are also commonly used in traditional remedies and wellness foods. In addition to their productivity and nutritional value, goji plants produce delicate purple flowers that attract bees and other pollinators, supporting overall garden health. For gardeners looking for a tough, productive plant that also delivers strong nutritional benefits, goji berries are an excellent choice. Even a single mature bush can produce hundreds of berries over the season. 8. Elderberries. Elderberries are perhaps one of the best examples of how a relatively small plant can produce an incredibly large harvest. These fast-growing shrubs develop large clusters of berries that can become so heavy they weigh down the branches when fully ripe. A single mature elderberry plant can produce several pounds of fruit each season, often rivaling or even surpassing the output of much larger fruit trees grown in the same space. Elderberries are also highly versatile. The fruit is commonly used to make syrups, jams, wines, and traditional herbal preparations. The plants themselves are adaptable and grow well in a wide range of climates and soil conditions, making them suitable for many types of gardens. With regular pruning, elderberry bushes can be kept compact while still producing large harvests year after year. For gardeners aiming to maximize food production from a small area, elderberries are an outstanding option.